Welcome to this IX Developer tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through installing and using a Nuget package in IX Developer to enhance your project with additional functionality. For this demonstration, we'll be using our sample project, Demo X321 Manufacturing Production. Let's dive in. First, start IX Developer and click on the Samples tab. In here, we will select the demo project. Adding a Nuget package allows you to integrate powerful libraries and tools into your application. Nuget packages are an excellent way to extend your project's functionality. They allow you to reuse well-tested code, save development time, and easily access a vast library of tools and utilities created by developers worldwide. However, it's essential to evaluate each package carefully to ensure it meets your project's needs. Some Nuget packages are free, while others may come with a license cost, so always verify the licensing terms before using them in your project. To begin, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Project tab. Now you see the Nuget Packages button. Click on it to open the Nuget Packages window. In the Nuget Packages window, you'll see two sections, Add Package and Installed. Click on the link to open up your browser and it will redirect you to nuget.org website. Search for the package you want to install. Let's search for the QR Coder package as an example. Keep in mind that not all Nuget packages are compatible with IX Developer. IX Developer uses the .NET 8 framework, so it's essential to check if the Nuget package supports this framework before installing. Also, some packages may include features or dependencies that could impact your project's performance or functionality, so review them carefully. Once you've found the package, copy the .NET CLI command and navigate back to IX Developer. Paste the copied command into the input field at the top of the Nuget Packages window and press Install. The package will now be installed. Now that the package is installed, let's use it in your project. First time you have to build your project. This step ensures that the newly installed Nuget package is correctly compiled and ready to be used. Navigate to the screen where you want to use the package, and in this example, we will add a picture box to display our QR code. Now open Script tab. In this example, I will take the example code I found in the QR Codes project website. On the nuget.org webpage, there is documentation and examples on how to implement it to your project. Run your project to test the new functionality. You should see the QR code generated and displayed as expected. While Nuget packages are incredibly useful, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always check the package documentation, compatibility with your framework, and any potential security risks. Additionally, consider the package's impact on performance and whether it introduces unnecessary dependencies. Some Nuget packages are free, but others may require a license fee. Ensure you review the licensing terms before integrating a package into your project. To manage installed packages, return to the Nuget Packages window and click on the Installed tab. From here, you can view, update, or uninstall any installed packages. And that's it. You've successfully installed and used the QR Coder Nuget package. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.